Springfarm again, third video for today, and also of this year. I literally just got out now, so I did. I totally forgot that there was a train coming, and I was literally running here. So, pretty hectic, eh? Oh, no, it's blurring. There, that's better. I think it's heading to Londonderry again. I can't check the timetable anymore till after the video, because it won't be in Ballymena by that stage. So yeah. Oh, it's blurring again. No. There. So crossing should go off in about just under a minute or something like that. So does anyone remember, like, this, around this time last year, this crossing had a faulty alarm? I remember that. I first discovered that. We were at Springfarm level crossing in County Antrim in Newton. I was 2-8. I first discovered that it had a flat alarm on the 23rd of December 2020. So I did. So that's all I was going to say. Time now is 19:48 on Saturday, the 1st of January 2022, and this will be for your 2003 Northern Ireland Railway service from Antrim to Derry, Londonderry. Port 4000 again. And I still can't see the number. It's going up now. Well, that torch turning off thing was slightly delayed. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.